Good morning students. Once again myself Nahid Parveen, your EVS teacher from Monbretia School, Dhanbad. So students, we were discussing about our fourth chapter, that is an ideal house. Okay, in this chapter we had discussed about our house, why house is important for us and how many types of houses are there. We had discussed. Just I am revising the last class what we had discussed. Now just I am only revising. Okay, see what we had discussed. See, this topic we had discussed, why do we need a house? As we all know that without house we cannot live. It protects us from extreme weather conditions, robbers and animals. Okay, then we had discussed types of houses and it depends upon their geographical features, climate of that place. Types of houses: igloos, stilt houses, tent houses, then mud houses, houseboats, caravans, multi-story buildings. Okay, up to this multi-story buildings we had discussed our last class. Okay, we had discussed in our last class up to this topic. Okay, today we will start building material. Today our next topic is building material. So all of you take out your EVS book, page number 34. Fine. See children, next topic is building material. Houses are usually built with whatever material is easily found in an area. Okay, I had already discussed, it depends on that place, whatever material is required that house for making that house. Okay, so and why building material is used? Because for building material is used for making different kind of houses. And why the different kinds of houses are required? Because people stay in different kind of locations. Okay, they have their different geographical features and even the building material available at each place is different from each other. Okay, so it is required building material. Okay, now see igloos are made up of blocks of ice which are easily found in Iceland. Okay, in Iceland there is lot of ice available, so there is igloo houses are made. Okay, now kacha houses, or see here, kacha houses or huts are easy to build in villages as mud, stone, bamboo and dry leaves are easily available there. Okay, kacha houses and in villages there in villages we can see there is kacha houses made up of mud, means mitti, stone, bamboo and dry leaves. Okay, because it is easily available there. Fine. Now houses in Assam are built with the strong grass. Okay, found there. Okay, houses in Assam are built with the strong glass found in there. Okay, in cities houses are built with concrete. Concrete means cement. Okay, see here, in cities houses are built with concrete. Concrete means cement. Bricks means ita. Steel, wood and stones like marble and granite. Okay, understood why building material is required? Because it is required for making different kind of houses. And why the different kinds of houses are required? Because people stay in different location depending upon their climatic and geographical features. Okay, so students, I hope you all understood this topic very well, why building material is required. So today your homework is you revise chapter 4 up to where I have taught. Okay, everything from first topic to last topic which I have discussed now. Okay, next class I will discuss our next point. Okay, thank you.